In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method on Jotform. If you've been dabbling in online forms either for your business or personal use, you know how integral payment methods can become to the functionality and convenience of your forms. Sometimes though, be it for a change in payment service provider preference or simply a need to update your form's functionality, you'll need to remove an existing payment method from your form. Let's dive into how you can efficiently and securely accomplish this. First things first, you'll need to navigate your way to the hub of all things Jotform, which is their homepage. You can do this by typing www.jotform.com into your browser's address bar. Here you'll be greeted with Jotform's main page, a starting point for everything you need to do within the platform. Once you're there, your next step is to access your account. Look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. For those who have linked their Jotform account to Google or another platform, you'll see an option to sign in using those credentials instead. This is a handy feature for those who prefer a streamlined login process, avoiding the need to remember multiple passwords. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Jotform dashboard. Here's where all your form activities begin. Now you want to select the form you're looking to modify. Click on My Forms to see a list of all the forms you've created. Browse through your collection and identify the form that contains the payment method you wish to remove. Once you've found the correct form, hover over it and you should see an Edit Form option. Clicking this will take you into the Form Builder interface where all the magic happens. This is where you can add, modify, and yes, delete any elements from your form, including payment methods. In the Form Builder, navigate to the payment field you're looking to remove. Payment fields are easily identifiable by their icons resembling credit cards, PayPal logos, or other payment service providers. Click on the payment element within your form. This action will not only select the element, but also reveal a specific set of options related to it. Among these options, look for the delete icon. It's usually represented by a trash bin or a similar symbol. Clicking on this icon will initiate the removal of the payment method from your form. A dialog box might appear asking you to confirm your intention to delete the element. This is a standard safety feature to prevent accidental deletions. Confirm your choice and the payment method will be removed from your form. And just like that, you've successfully removed a payment method from your form on Jotform. But before we wrap up, it's important to save your changes. Jotform auto-saves your work periodically, but it's good practice to manually save, especially after making significant changes. Look for the Save option in the Form Builder and ensure all your alterations are securely applied. Now, with the payment method removed, you might be wondering what's next. If you're looking to replace the previous payment method with a new one, the process is quite straightforward. You'd simply add a new payment element to your form, configure it with your new payment service provider details, and you're all set. Removing a payment method from your Jotform isn't just about taking something away, it's about making room for new possibilities. Whether you're updating your payment preferences, simplifying your form, or addressing a change in your business model, understanding how to manage your form elements is key. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Jotform is a powerful tool, and mastering these nuances will empower you to create forms that perfectly align with your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Stay tuned.